Look at the babies. Hi, Mama. Hi. Oh, look at them. They're exploring. Hi. Hi, little beep. Little baby. Oh, they're so cute. Hi, little one. Oh, you're the new one. Hi. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, had to make sure there wasn't one stuck back there or something. Yeah, and the babies echo, don't they? Don't they, Mama? Do you have anything to say to your audience? Huh? Hi, pretty girl. Pretty mama. Pretty mama bird. Hi, girl. Hi, girl. Are you a happy mama? What's going on under there? How many peeps you got? You got 6 peeps under there? Oh. I see one trying to poke its head out. Oh. This is so cute. They're trying to like pop through her wings. So photogenic, yeah. Yeah, if you can hear that scratching in the background, that's our bunny rabbits. Hi, Buns. Hi, pretty Buns. Do y'all want some grass? Some fresh grass here. Oh, yeah. So give me that good stuff. Hi, baby. Hi. Sorry, Buns, the show's not about you. It's about the chickens. Oh, but they are so cute, too. Very sweet, also. Very sweet. Hi, Mama. Where the babies at? Where them babies at, girl? Are they getting restless? Oh, there's one. There's a little peep. I love it. It's so cute. Just poke its little head out. Hi, tiny one. Hi, tiny one. Have you come out for food or drink? Oh my goodness. Oh, is that our little... Oh, it's our little gimpy one. So yeah, it appears the mystery mix are the brownish colored ones, and the Americanas are all that pretty black-blue color. You know what, Mama? None of these babies came from your eggs. You love them just the same, don't you? Here you go, babies. There's some food, so you don't have to go... Oh, hello. Hello, curious ones. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so brave. You've been in here the longest, though, haven't you? You were the first one Mama hatched. Oh, you're all over the place, little baby. Alright, Mama, I'm gonna let you and the adorable babies be. Y'all stay warm. Say bye. Bye, everyone. Bye.